Veotag is a system that lets you point at any audio or video on the internet, and then as it's playing you can create a table of contents by just stopping typing text, and it starts to appear on the right, and then you can indent or outdent. And the result is that when somebody is playing back, they see that table of contents, they can see where they are, where they've been, and they can click around to jump to the part that's interesting to them. That table of contents gets exported to all the major search engines. So the result is that you can go to Google and type Swift Kids Dora. Swift Kids is a commercial advertising company, and they did a Dora commercial. And they put their commercial reel on our website, and when you type Swift Kids Dora in Google, you jump into that video in the middle of the video at the instant that corresponds to that tag. So the result is that now you can look at any video and open it like a book. And that really changes the landscape for the way that video can be perceived and understood, because you can now view it from the outside intelligently, and while it's playing you can view it intelligently from the inside and see the part that's interesting to you. Our customers range from Jazz at Lincoln Center, which has put its music classes up on the web using this technology. University of Scotland bought the product to be able to present their videos with coordinated slideshows. We have another version which not only will you see the video playing, but you can coordinate any HTML or PowerPoint slide or application along with the video. We have advertising companies. Different companies are trying to solve different problems, but it all centers around adding that intelligence to the video to make it easier to consume and easier to find. So Jazz at Lincoln Center runs a thing called master classes, where basically you see a master student and a master teacher, and the master teacher is giving a lesson to the master student. Normally, as a musician, unless you're very, very good, you never get to the point where the first trumpet in the New York Philharmonic is personally teaching you. But you can go to this class and watch how he gets instructed, and the value to you is you get insight into how to learn this stuff. Now, their reach, Jazz at Lincoln Center, is really the Manhattan area only. People don't necessarily know about the classes and certainly can't always attend. This gives Jazz at Lincoln Center the opportunity to present those classes so that other people can find out about them, can get benefit from them. It's essentially a marketing route. I think ultimately it may become a pay-per-view route also. People are beginning to realize that that video presents an opportunity to present information in the same way as books do, and that there ought to be a commensurate cost associated with that. So the business model is changing as well, and Jazz at Lincoln Center is leading there in understanding how to turn their asset into something that can both be marketed and sold.